Most disaster recovery plans are a document, written once, drifted since, and first really tested during the disaster they were meant to survive. And the common worst case is the hard one. Production was never fully infrastructure as code. Most of it is ClickOps, so there's no portable artifact to recover from in the first place. Here's the honest question. You shouldn't have to re-platform a working production estate just to get a recovery story you can trust. So Facets doesn't ask you to. It discovers what you already run, read-only, and imports the complete delivery, not just VMs and databases. The workloads, the config, the secrets, the wiring, the dashboards. It's scoped and auditable, and it reports what it couldn't reach. Gaps are known, not silent. What you get is your estate, captured as one version pinned blueprint. That's the recovery artifact, and it declares its own boundary, what it recreates from code and what it restores from your backups. Then Praxis keeps it honest. It rediscovers the primary on a cadence, and every drift becomes a dated, human-approved record, the same gate as the recovery itself. The artifact can't quietly rot. Recovery is one authorized action. The infrastructure materializes from the blueprint, dependency ordered, and your data restores from the backups you already run. So be honest, recovery time is spin plus restore, and spin is only the floor. Snapshots give you infrastructure and data. Facets brings up the whole product, the last mile too. Cold is the right place to start. Zero standing compute, proven by drills. The same blueprint runs warm when you're ready. A dial, not a rebuild. And it's a round trip. You can fail back. You pay for storage, not an idle region. And the same blueprint that recovers production can govern it. That's a bigger decision, and it's yours. It isn't whether Facets can, it can. It's whether you're ready to let it. So start with a drill in a non-prod region. Recovery you can rehearse from the estate you already run.